Hello guys, today I am installing this mirror dash cam. So this is already being put on with the straps just on your mirror, but the thing is, this is the front one, this is the back one I am installing right now. This is both together. So this one is the power. I just bring all the way down till here, and this all the way wrapped up with the liner, and then at the bottom all the way down. So now I was doing the back camera, so I thought I should make a video. So this is all going with this liner too, like all tied up in, passing through here, then all tucked in this, and passed all, if you can see here, all passed till the back. All the wire was bought from here, tucked in, and then I pulled out from here, and I pulled out the panel from there so that I can access it. So there is a hose thing kind going from here. I passed the cable from there, came in here, and then I bring it here. So it will be tied and clean, and I will be mounting this camera somewhere like this. So then I will have both. You can see me if I'm holding it right. You can see me there if you want. So I will be mounting this here somewhere. So I did put this back, just little bit wire hanging out, and there are tons of wire, like extra wire if you have a long car or something. I just tucked it in, and I will be putting this thing back here, and then I will mount the camera. So I did mount the back camera. So my windows are jet black tinted. I mounted it inside. I don't want to mount outside because of the snow and everything, so it's none of use because I have Rewind one. I just washed my car, that's why I can see it, but when I'm driving in the snow everything is all muddy up, so that's why I mounted this one inside. So you can change the angle little bit up and down, that's max. And then this is the front one. No, this is both together.
Okay.
This one is both together, you see, back and front. This is only front, this is only back. This one should be good, back and front. I think only back one should be good. I don't need front one. It should be recording. This one should be good. So for this setting, sometimes you might have to go here. Yes, camera settings. If you do rear view, so this one goes like this. So this truck is standing on my left side, but now it's showing on the right side. So you might have to do this in camera settings. Turn this rear mirror, and it should be good. So main problem I was thinking about was my windows are jet black, so it will show or not. So it is showing decent amount. So it's kind of dark inside the garage. It's not that dark, but it's still dark. Like with the jet black windows, it still shows. You can't see anything from here if I turn off my lights. So it still shows something. So tinted window should not be that big issue because I have jet ones. So if you guys don't have a tint, so it should be good, or if you have a lighter, it should be more bright. Thank you for watching.